Today we talk about how can you find your safe tutors on your Cambly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you your profile here. You come to next step here, then all you have to do next, so you just click here on save tutors here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all save tutors you have here. So I have no tutors here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.